Hello. In this video, I like to do a few sums extending from in order to concretize the idea of bearing with some specific angles and some specific expressions that we use. So let me have a look at, let's begin by placing the three-figure bearing that corresponds to some of the known directions that we use in words. So let's take the direction that is west direction, the west direction. So if I'm going to talk about the west direction, the bearing angle for that, because if this is my north, this is my north direction, bearings always, recollect that bearings always taken from the north. So this would be your east, this would be a west over here, and that's your south. So when talking about the west direction, the bearing will go in the clockwise sense all the way around down till here. Now moving around 3/4 of a circle will make 390 degrees. Each of these quarters are 90 degrees. Therefore, going around till west would be 3 times a 90 degrees. So the bearing is going to be 270 degrees. Remember that the bearing has to be placed in 3 digits. Let's take another example. This time let's try and find the bearing angle for a southeast direction. A southeast direction. So again, I have my north, which is always upwards, and this is not towards the sky, but this would essentially mean that this is on a plane pointing in the north direction, not upwards towards the sky. So that's my north over there, and I like to have the southeast direction. So if I'm going to place this references, this would have been the south. The southeast would be midways between south and north. This would be the south direction, southeast direction. This is southeast. And therefore, my bearing angle is as it's been seen, like this. So I have till the east it's going to be 90 degrees, and the further angle, which is going to be a 45 degrees. So my bearing angle for this comes out to be a 90 plus 45 degrees. That is equal to 135 degrees, again in 3 digits. Likewise, I want you to try for northeast and see. Northeast. What would be the bearing for northeast? Try that. Pause the video and try that. Yeah, if you're back, I got north over here. East is this. So northeast would be exactly midways to this. So northeast would be simply this angle. This is north minded. This is east. This is northeast. Therefore, the angle would be, because the whole angle would have been 90 degrees over here, so half of that would have been 45 degrees. But how do I place my bearing angle? It should be in 3 degrees, in 3 digits rather, so it could be placed as a 0, 4, 5 degrees. Okay.